Hello, good morning, students. I am Professor Jalis Ahmed, your teacher for manufacturing processes. Today, we are going to start with our syllabus manufacturing process with first unit. The name of the first unit is casting processes, and the topic here today is introduction to casting processes. So, first of all, what do you mean by casting process? First of all, we see the syllabus of that. Unit 1, sand casting, pattern types, material and allowances, molding, sand types, properties and testing, molding types, equipments and tools, machine code types, manufacturing, getting system, heating and pouring, cooling, solidification process. Okay. Other part is the die casting, investment casting, centrifugal casting, continuous casting, types, equipment. This is the syllabus. Introduction of the casting. I know that you already have studied in first year basic of manufacturing process, which also include casting. So you are familiar with the casting. Okay. So first of all, what is first? Casting or founding is the process of producing metal or alloy parts. The parts of desired shapes are produced by pouring the molten metal or alloy into a cavity inside a prepared mold and then allowing the metal or alloy to cool and solidify. This solidified piece of metal or alloy is called as a casting. This process is used to manufacture a range of products varying in terms of shape, size and complexity. So from this slide, what we understood is nothing but casting is nothing but it is produced by pouring molten metal inside a mold cavity. After some time, when we pour the molten metal in the mold cavity, it will be solidified and we get the desired casting. What are the steps involved in the casting process? With the help of this figure, I am going to explain. For example, this one. What is this? This is a cope and rack. This is a molding flask. This one on part. This is another part. Cope and rack. Okay. Both are joined together with the locating pins. Okay. This mold cavity is prepared. Okay. After removing the pattern, then it's the pouring basin from which the material is added. Okay. You can see here from pouring basin we are adding the molten metal here. Okay, that heated hot metal is added over here. Okay, what is this? This is the total sand. Okay, this cavity is after removing the pattern. Okay, this is the riser. Okay, riser means what happens? So when we pour the molten metal over here, with the help of that riser means is the opening directly to the open air. So when we pour, when the material comes out, you can see that mold cavity is totally filled. So after filling the total mold cavity, what happens? We will wait for some time and it will solidify. And solidified component, this is a casting that will be removed. These are the steps. Okay. Step means this is the mold formation of the mold with the help of pattern. Pattern will be removed from the sand, then mold cavity, pouring the molten metal, solidify. This is the steps. What are the advantage of the casting process? It is one of the most versatile manufacturing process. It provides the greatest freedom of design in terms of shape, size and quality of the product. Casting provides uniform directional properties and better vibration damping capacity to the cast component. Complex and uneconomical shapes which are difficult to produce by other processes can be easily produced by casting process. It gives one piece product, hence there is no need of metal joining process. Very heavy and bulky parts can be manufactured by cast. These are the advantages. So we must read about these. We should know the various manufacturing and advantage of this casting process. After reading, we can understand what are the application. Application includes transportation vehicles, various product in transportation vehicles, machine tool structure, for example, machine tool bed, turbine wheels and power generators, mill housing, pump filter and wall, railway crossing and aircraft jet engine blades, agriculture parts and generator fittings, construction, communication, atomic energy application. These are the various applications we should know. So casting application is everywhere. That may be in automobile sector, that may be in agriculture sector, that may be in military, that may be aircraft. Number of things applications are there for casting. Okay. So we can see here application of the casting. A number of components are shown here: piston, cylinder, gear, agricultural parts. You can see a crane parts. Okay. These are the number of things: electrical machine, machine tool, farming, mining, airspace component, automobile, municipal corporation component, art and medical. No area is left vacant. Okay. These are the various types of casting processes. Okay. That may be consumer mold type casting process, that may be permanent mold type, that may be a special processes. Let's go through this PPT. Okay, think over this. Okay, thank you.